Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing 3 unique and powerful Photoshop alternatives you might not have tried yet. Let's jump right in. Inkscape, a vector graphics editor. While Photoshop is raster-based, Inkscape is great for logos, icons, and illustrations. It's perfect if you want to create sharp graphics for any size. Paint.net, a Windows-only app that's super lightweight but surprisingly powerful. It supports layers, plugins, and has an easy-to-use interface perfect for beginners and quick edits. Lastly, Polar, a sleek photo editor with advanced filters and AI-enhanced tools. It's available on desktop and mobile and offers a surprisingly deep set of tools in its free version. There you have it! 3 free Photoshop alternatives that bring something different to the table. I will be making a part 2 to this, explaining 2 more Photoshop alternatives you can use. Which one are you trying first? Let me know below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool design tips. See you next time.